Ginseng is a well-known herb and has been used for its health-promoting abilities and medicinal properties for generations. Ginseng tea is also incredibly popular due to its many health benefits and ability to offer these nutrients and benefits in a simple and easy way, especially during cold and flu season. Now, let's discuss some amazing health benefits of drinking ginseng tea. First, ginseng tea can help to boost and even strengthen the immune system naturally, helping to prevent and reduce the risk of certain illnesses and infections. This is attributed to its high levels of nutrients, its tremendous anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds such as ginsenosides. Ginseng tea, when consumed regularly, can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, even chronic inflammation, due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that ginseng tea extracts and ginsenoside compounds work to reduce and inhibit inflammation, while at the same time increasing antioxidant capacity. This allows ginseng tea to not only reduce inflammation, but reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Consuming ginseng tea may also be able to promote brain function as well, improving mood, memory, and more, as studies have shown. This has been attributed to compounds in ginseng tea and ginseng extracts that protect the brain from damage and reduce free radicals and oxidative stress. Importantly, some studies have demonstrated that these beneficial effects on brain function can be found in individuals with cognitive ailments, such as Alzheimer's disease. It can also help to naturally lower blood sugar, which is promising for those individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Research has shown that ginseng tea can help to control blood glucose levels in individuals with or without diabetes. Ginseng tea can also help to boost insulin production and enhance blood sugar uptake in tissues. Lastly, consuming ginseng tea regularly can help to increase energy levels. Studies have shown that ginseng can decrease fatigue and promote energy. These studies found that compounds within ginseng tea, such as polysaccharides and oligopeptides, can boost energy production in cells and lower oxidative stress, decreasing fatigue. Ginseng tea can also be beneficial after physical activity. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.